Have you ever found yourself rushing to the bank before it closes, or waiting in a seemingly endless line just to make a simple deposit? What if you never had to do that again? What if your bank was always open, always right where you are, and always ready to serve you? This is the reality of full online banking, where there are no in-person branches, just a sleek, powerful digital platform. And the benefits go way beyond just convenience. The first and most obvious advantage is accessibility. With an online-only bank, you're not bound by a building's business hours. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., you can manage your money from your phone, your computer, or anywhere with an internet connection. Need to transfer funds, pay a bill, or check your balance? It's all just a few clicks away. This kind of 24/7 access gives you a level of control and flexibility that a traditional bank just can't match. But what about the cost? This is where online banks really shine. Because they don't have the massive overhead of maintaining physical branches, they can pass those savings on to you, the customer. This often translates to lower fees, or even no fees at all, and some of the best interest rates on savings accounts. That means your money can work harder for you, earning more interest and being eaten away by fewer charges. Finally, let's talk about financial management. Online banking platforms are built for the digital age. They come packed with intuitive tools that help you track your spending, create budgets, and even set up automatic transfers to your savings goals. You get a real-time, comprehensive view of your finances right at your fingertips. You can monitor transactions, set up alerts for suspicious activity, and catch any potential fraud instantly. It's a level of transparency and insight that makes managing your money not just easier, but smarter. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.